Hi students, welcome to week 5. I have a few brief things to review with you since this is our first week of peer review and it's our last week in the resume and cover letter unit. So pay attention and we'll make sure that this week goes smoothly for you. So first, the resume and cover letter workshop. This is our first chance to do peer review in the trio groups, the groups that you selected. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how this goes. Usually the workshops provide an opportunity for students to get feedback on their documents that helps them to improve the documents before they have to turn in the final draft to me. So that's what this opportunity could be for you, a way to improve your documents and check some of your requirements before you have to turn in your final documents at the end of the week. It also gives you a chance to see your group members' resumes and cover letters, which could give you ideas on things to do with your own resume or cover letter. So some reminders about the workshop space. First, make sure you get your documents into the space by Tuesday. If you don't do that, you're just not being respectful to your group members' time because they need time to review your documents and everyone else's in the groups. So make sure that you get your documents posted by Tuesday. And then after that, take time to review your group members' documents. Look at their job posting and evaluate whether or not their resume and cover letter adequately suit that job description. Now, in the resume and cover letter workshop space, I've listed criteria to help you evaluate these documents. You do not want to post a simple feedback comment like, "This looks great, didn't see anything to change, I'm sure you could get this job." You do not want to post a simple comment like that. That does not meet the requirements of this workshop. You need to provide in-depth feedback to each group member. So to help you do that, I've put a list of criteria in the resume and cover letter workshop space. Use that criteria, that set of criteria, to help you evaluate each group member's submission, and that will help you make sure that you're providing enough feedback to each of your trio group members. Now, make sure that you get your feedback posted to your trio group members by Thursday. The reason you need to do that by Thursday is because then everyone can take Friday to update their resume and cover letters after receiving feedback, and then they can submit the resume and cover letter to me Friday evening. So again, it's our first week of peer review. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this goes. Most students comment that the chances of peer review in this class help them on their assignments. So take this seriously, and it should help you to improve your resume and cover letter before you submit it to me. Now, one other tip before I let you go, in the resume and cover letter assignment description space, so on Moodle where you go to read about the resume and cover letter assignment, the space where you'll go to turn in your resume and cover letter on Friday, in that space there's a link to a resume cover letter checklist. Now that link's been there all semester, but I do find that often students overlook that link. It's a very important link. It's really like a cheat sheet that I've written for you to help you do your final edits on your document. So open that resume and cover letter checklist, use it to evaluate your own document before you turn your document in on Friday. Now it's a longer checklist, it'll take you some time, so make sure you give yourself enough time to use that checklist. Between that and the workshop, you really can take this week as an opportunity to perfect your documents before you have to turn them in on Friday. Now on Friday, make sure you turn in your job posting, your resume, and your cover letter. I'm looking forward to seeing all of your documents. The semester is going really well so far. I'm thrilled at the results of many of your unit exercises and final assignments. Things are going well, so keep up the hard work, get through this week, and at the end of the week, I'll be reviewing your resume and cover letters, and I really look forward to that. Okay, have a great week, and I'll talk to you again next week. Thanks.